The big thing you have to learn about equipment and game day is it never starts on game day. For us, it's always Sunday after the following game. There's a thing from an equipment manager standpoint, your day is never your day, and you have to be prepared for the unprepared scenarios. I'll use the national championship game in 2010. Arizona's field is usually outside and then rolled in on game day or the day before. Well, a lot of people didn't realize that stadium holds so much humidity that when we actually walked on that football field on game day, that field was soaking wet and slick. And the NCAA rule says we were going to allow 3/4 inch spikes, height spikes. For us, we had cleat cleaners there. Found out that Oregon did not. So I was pretty happy with the result of that game, obviously, that our team, my staff, students did everything they needed to do to be prepared for something that we didn't see coming.
Hey, Lauren, how you feel? You feel good?
That's probably the biggest thing I want people to know is that there's a tremendous team behind the team that really makes this engine run, and they do a phenomenal job. I know they don't get the recognition that I receive sometimes because I'm sometimes the face of the program, but those guys do a phenomenal job. Pre-game for me is the best time of my day. That's when I get to interact with the players. I get to play catch, I get to throw the ball around and just have a good time. My defensive backs, they're the high maintenance group of our team, and I love them to death. They're always going to do what they're going to do, and there are certain rules we have to follow. You can't have your back plate flapping in the wind. And, they do that every pregame, and they do it on purpose just to know that, hey, Dana's going to be coming during stretch lines and, cleaning them up, making sure that they're prepared for the game. So it's always one of those fun things I get to do on game day. Hi, I'm Dana Marquez, the Associate Athletic Director of Equipment Operations, and this is my Game Face.